So first of all, I will like to give a huge shout out to Star Zodiac 365, Alan Williams, AH Sultrix for commenting on my video, and Femina Riaz for subscribing to my channel. So thank you for supporting me. So in the last video, I have shown you how you can create a custom post type and how you can use ACF in the custom post type, and then I have also shown you how you can create the main page for showcasing all the items from the custom post type, and then I have also shown you how you can create the single post page for the post type that you have just created. So I've just created something very simple. So in the last video I promised you that I will create a separate video on how you can enhance this design and make it look like something like this one, where you can see the big image and then you can see the title and the link of the post type, and then you can also view the item in detail where you can see the featured image, title, live URL, project description, tools and technologies with the big image and the results. So that's what we are going to do in this video. And if you want to create a similar website to this one that I created for my web design portfolio, so here you can see the complete website design. So if you want to create a similar website, then you can watch this video of mine. So I will provide the link of the video in the description. So let's start the video without any time waste. So let's click on edit with Elementor. So here when we click on the edit button, so here we cannot add the link field over here because this is the default Elementor widget, and here we cannot show the link like this. So for that we will exit and we will install a new free plugin. We will click on add new and we will search for Elementor loops. So this is the plugin. So Elementor custom skin. So earlier it was called Elementor loops. So we will activate, and now when we will go to the template, so here we will click on add new and here we will select loop and we will type portfolio loop, and now we will click on create template. Loop means this widget that you see over here where we have one featured image, title and date and description plus the button. So we will design this widget for one post and then we will be able to use the loops, and in that way we will see all the items listed on the portfolio page. So we will go to the loop and we will close this. So if we go here in the portfolio page, so here first of all we want to show the image, so we will select image and we will choose full, and here under the dynamic tag we will select ACF and here we will select big image. So now we will select and we will add the post title, and then we will add the link. So for link we will have to use the text editor maybe, and then under dynamic tags we will go to ACF field and we will choose live URL, and then we will have a button and under the text we can write view item, and we will have to add the link as well. So we will select post URL, and for this we will make sure the color is white, and we will click on publish add condition, and here we will select portfolio items, and we will select save, and we will view the page now. So currently we will not see anything, and when we will go to the portfolio page we will still not see, because we will have to select the loop here. So under layout we will refresh first of all, and now we will click on edit, and we will select custom over here, and then under template we will select portfolio loop, and we will click on update. So now let's go to the page again. So here you see the big image, title, and then the link. So here we only want to show one column. So for that we will go back to the page, and under column we will select one, and under post I want to show like all of them, or maybe I can just select 100 over here, and then I will click on update. So to make the image full width we will go to the loop, and then here we will go to width and make it full. So now let's refresh. So now you can see it is full width now. So you can see. So I also want to add the link in the image, so it takes to the single page when we click on the image. So for that we will go to edit again, and we will select custom URL over here, and then we will select post URL. Similarly we can add the link in the heading as well. So let's update and refresh. So here you can see now it is perfectly showing the title, big image, link, and the button. So for the first one we don't have the big image, so that's why it is not showing. Now we also want to change the single page. So for that we will go to the single post that we created in the last video. Now we want to design this page like this one, where we will have the featured image on the right, title, link, and then the beautiful interface like this one. And we have the result as well. So we will go to the page, and then first of all we will have to create a screen where we can show the featured image on the right and title with the link. So we will go to the page, and here we will add a new section, and we will add inner section. So we will move the featured image to this one, and we will move the title in the left side, and we will move the live URL over here. So we can remove this maybe, and we can move the link below the title, and then we have the project description, tools and technologies used, big image, and the result. So we will update and see how it looks. So that's how it is looking currently, and you can see they both of them are not aligned properly. So we will select the column and we will remove the margin and paddings. So now you can see both of them aligns. We can also add a background image. So we will click on this section, go to style, and we will select a background image. So maybe we can use this one. So now we can increase the height of the section. So we can maybe keep it 400, and now we will go to style, and we can make the image no repeat, and display size will be cover, and position will be center. Now we can close this and we can add a background overlay so we can see the text and the featured image more clearly. So we have added a background image, we have added the background overlay, and we will click on update. So now let's refresh. So now you can see it is looking more better, and we will go back, and if you see, we can see the image is not aligned. So we can select the image and we can choose it left aligned and update. So now we can also add some padding on the top of the description. So maybe we can add 50. So we can select the section and add a shape divider as well. So just like here you see this thing, so we can add a shape divider. So we will select mountains, and maybe we can make it none and add to the bottom only. So here you can see. So we can maybe make it something like this. Or we can select clouds, or we have several other as well. Waves. So we can select waves and select this one. And we can add it to the back side. So if you want to make it sound like this one, then you can change this color that is currently white to this blue color. Here we can add the color we just copied. So here you can see the both things. So now we can also maybe increase the height little bit. So I think the 500 will look better. So you can see, and now we can update and see the front end. So now you can see. So now we can also change, show the project information over here, and we can show the project description and tools and technologies in front of it. So we will go back to the editor and we can add an inner section, and here we will add this, and we can make a duplicate of it, and we will also change the margin so it's exactly aligned to the below items. So now we will choose write project over here, and we will write information below. So we can make it smaller, and we will also add a bottom margin of -10 or maybe -20. That's good, I think. So now we can change the width of it to 33, and we can make a duplicate of this one, and we can add tools and technologies over here, and we can add the description over here. And I mistakenly removed the description adding, so I will make a duplicate of it and add it over here, and we can name it as project description. Project information, and so you can see it's now looking similar. We can also change the color of this project to a brand color of this yellow one. So we will again inspect, and we will choose this. We will click on this thing, and we will go to button, and here we can see the color. So we will just copy the color code, and now we will come back and we will change the color, and we can also increase the weight, I think, so it will look even better. So we can also increase the weight of this one, so you can see. We can also increase the size of this to make it more better, so you can see. Now we will update and see the live website. So here we can see the title, link, the featured image, project information, tools and technologies used, and we can also add a little bit of padding below this section. So I have added 30. We will update, go back and refresh, and I think it's more better now. So you can also add some padding below this section. Padding 30. So now if we go to this page, and the only thing remaining is to add the project over here and this shadow that you can see. So we can copy it and we can paste it over here. We can make it above that, and we can also add some padding over here on the top. And for this image we can go to style, and we can add a box shadow. So it's added. We can update. We will refresh. So you can see now we have added the shadow. We can also change the color of the shadow if we want. So we can make it like a little bit more lighter, so it looks better on the dark background. So we can increase the intensity of it, and we can now see. So you can see now it is more darker and looking even better. So let's add a new item with the with some better information to see the look of it. So we will add a new post item, and maybe we can just copy the information of this project to see how it looks. We can also save this image. You can copy the text. We can select the featured image. And we can also select the category. And we have not created any category, but we can create it later on, of course. So now let's go to the website and click on view. Let's go to portfolio page. So here you can see the big image, the title, the link, view item button. You can click on view item to see the project in more detail. And we can also add a box shadow below this featured image, so it will be even better. So there you can see. So here we can decrease some top margin or the top padding. So thank you for watching this video, and do like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. And if you want to create a complete website, so then you can come over to this playlist of mine. I will provide the link of this playlist in the description. So here we have created a video to create a website like Fiverr in 17 minutes. So this is the video for startup company in 4 minutes, and similarly we have for architecture website, real estate website, e-commerce website, Woodmart theme website using Woodmart theme, and the portfolio website where we are working on currently. So if you want to create complete website like this one, then you can watch this video. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.